Hey, what is up guys, Mark here, and in this video we are going to do a quick unboxing of my new Galaxy S20 FE 5G. I picked this device up for $6.99 from my carrier AT&T, but you can also pick this up unlocked on Samsung.com. I'm not going to waste any more time, we're just going to get into this box. I did pick up the cloud navy color, and I wanted to show you guys what you get in the box if you do decide to pick up this device. So let's get right into it. Alright, as you can see, I do have the AT&T variant. Little bit of stuff on the back of the box if you want to pause and read it, but the exciting stuff is inside here. And here we go. Now this has a 6.7-inch display. And let's take a look at that cloud navy color. Now it is a deep blue, which is my favorite color. It's actually bigger than I actually thought. Initially, it feels really good in the hand. As you can see, you have your triple camera setup. As you can see, it's got that deep blue color. And let's just put this down real quick and take a look what else is in the box. You are getting a 15-watt fast charger and your Type-C cable. Nothing too exciting in the box, but we've come to expect that now. I'm pretty sure all of us have cables and chargers anyway, so that's not really that big of a deal for us. So let's just put that back and just take one more look at this device. Let's do the peel. Let me take off the IMEI sticker, and there we go. It's that nice matte texture. It's not going to get any fingerprints. It feels really good. I mean, it does not feel cheap at all. I mean, it's a really nice hold. When you're holding it, it feels really good in the hand. That matte texture is just really beautiful, and you're getting your triple cameras, your 12 megapixel wide angle, your 12 megapixel ultra wide, and your 8 megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom, which you can go up to 30 times digital zoom. I believe that's the same as the S20 from earlier. There is no pre-applied screen protector, but you do get the initial screen protector on there. I will keep that on until I get my tempered glass on there. So I just wanted to show you guys my cloud navy color. Let's see if we can get it over here in the sun, show you guys what it might look like outside. You see that matte finish is really nice, and like I said, when you're holding it, you just don't feel it being too bad. I mean, you know it's plastic, but it feels solid. It feels like you're just holding a Samsung Galaxy S20 device. And then most of us put a case on our devices anyway, so it's not that bad. So I'm actually very excited to use this device. This is going to be my main device for quite a while. I do have my Galaxy Z Fold 2, my new one ordered with the custom metallic silver hinge. That should be in the next few weeks. But this will be my main device. Thank you guys for stopping by, checking out my video. I do appreciate it. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please do consider subscribing. And if you want to see some case videos, I do have the Spigen Rugged Armor case and the Caseology Parallax case. And then I also have the LK glass screen protector, which is a 6-pack. You get 3 front screen protectors and 3 camera protectors. All 3 of these you can find on Amazon, less than $15 each. If you do want to see some videos on those cases, let me know in the comments section. But please consider subscribing. Please consider leaving a like. It does help me with growing my channel, and I do appreciate every one of you guys watching. Shout out to my fellow Samsung Care ambassadors and all the Samsung members across the world. And peace out, guys. Stay safe.